What happened, Bhargavi? Any problem?
Sastra, look how she is holding her stomach.
Let us inform this to our teacher. Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, come in. Bhargavi, any problem?
She has fell down while playing games, ma'am. She has severe stomach pain.
Bhargavi, don't worry, you're normal. You have obtained menstruation. It is usual for every girl. Girls, you both accompany her to her home.
Okay, teacher.
Bhargavi, come, let us join with them.
No, I can't play because this is my menstrual time. I am not comfortable in my body smell. It's so bad. Did you tell your mother?
Yes, my mother told me that it will be all right in few days.
Hey, come, let us go to our classroom.
Bhargavi, get up. You have come to class after a few days. What is the reason?
I'm not feeling well, ma'am.
What is the problem?
Feeling well because of her menstrual time. Many of our girls have this problem. Hence, they have not attending school. We don't know how to do.
Okay, I'm calling two famous doctors to guide you. Welcome, doctors. Welcome. Take your seats. Doctors, I need your advice to solve our kids' menstrual problems.
Yes, sure. Shall we go to your classroom?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Madam, some of our girls are not attending classes during their menstrual time due to inconvenience and bad smell from their body. Can you use some advice to them?
Definitely. As I'm a doctor, I will help your problems. Feel free to ask questions.
Thank you, doctor. Can you solve our menstrual problems?
Yes, you can. It is all depends upon your hygienic practice during your menstruation. Will you practice what I suggest?
Yes, ma'am. Surely. We will.
Dear girls, you can ask your doubts.
Ma'am, what is menstruation?
Between the age of 10 to 16, most of the girls were first time bleeding from genital organ. This is called menarche, being menstruation. When it becomes at a periodic at a regular 28 to 40 years, this is called menstruation.
What is mean by period?
Menstruation is also known as period. It is due to release impure blood from your uterus.
How long this bleeding exists during menstruation?
Normally, the bleeding will last for 5 days. For some people, it may vary from person to person.
During menstruation time, I get itching and bad smell from my genital area. Why?
Are you taking bath every day or using sanitary napkins?
No, ma'am.
It is more important to a girl during her menstruation should take bath every day and try to keep her genital area clean and dry. During menstruation, you should change your sanitary napkin at least twice a day. For some people, the bleeding will occur more. They should change their sanitary napkin soon after it gets wet. After changing your sanitary napkin, you should wash your hands properly.
Ma'am, can we use cloths of old sarees during menstruation time?
Nowadays, the sanitary napkins are cheap and easily available in various sizes. It prevents the health infections, skin irritation and bad smell. If they want to reuse the same heavy hygienic, do you know how to dispose the sanitary napkins?
Madam, we will throw it outside the home.
No, you should not do like that. It causes diseases and spread of environmental pollution. You should burn the used sanitary napkins. Nowadays, schools are constructing friendly toilets which consist of incinerator. You should burn the used napkins. The lady worker in the school sets a fire to burn the used napkins periodically. Nowadays, the new menstrual hygiene cup is used, and its purpose is to collect menstrual fluid.
Girls, now our school is constructing girls-friendly adolescents toilets. This will shortly install sanitary napkin vending machine. This is benefit for you all. This will help to increase attendance also.
Thank you, ma'am. We learned a lot about menstrual hygiene. We adopt your advice and follow the menstrual hygiene. Dispose the napkins in a proper manner. This will help us to attend the classes regularly and study well.
Oh, that's great, my dear girls. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
For menstrual hygiene.
Wear lightweight, breathable cloths such as cotton cloths.
Drink enough liquids. Keep your genital area clean.
During period, change your sanitary napkin for every 5 to 6 hours. Before and after using a sanitary napkin, wash your hands clean with soap and water.
Thank you.